Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? Welcome to my video featuring this knife. This is the Boker Plus Strike Auto. It is an automatic knife, which means it is a switchblade. Open pillar construction, jimping there. It has textured aluminum handle scales. You see the pocket clip there. It is stone washed, just like the blade. The steel on this is CPM S30V. Nice. The handle scales are textured aluminum. Right, good machining on that. Open pillar construction. Here is the weight. 4.72 ounces. And in grams, that is 133.9 grams. Here is the deployment. That switch is a safety, so now it can't fire. Pull it down and now it can. You press that button to deploy the blade. It deploys strongly. All right, now that safety will also function as a secondary lock. All right, so once it is open, if you push that switch up, it will not close. All right, see there? So now it won't close, so it's like a secondary lock as well. Yeah, so the deployment was decisive and consistent on this. You can also use your other hand, like so. Right, so fairly ambidextrous in that regard. This did require some sharpening out of the box. The edge was a bit rough, right? So I used my Spyderco Sharp Maker, and so this paper test is after a little bit of a touch-up. So there you go. And again, that was after about a 2-minute touch-up that was required. Here it is cutting a piece of a box. Yeah, it's very sharp now. That was thick. Here it is whittling on a piece of wood. So I hope you're all doing well these days, and I hope you're enjoying the background scenery there. Undoubtedly, these are the last days, but let's try to make the most of them, shall we? This is doing an excellent job on the whittling. So this was $70. It is currently sold out. However, I have seen there are other colors available. They have one with brown scales, one with black scales, and the lowest price I've seen on the different versions has been $55 on sale. Alright, so it succeeded at the whittling. Here it is cutting some paracord. Easy task for it. Goes through it like a little lightsaber. Here it is cutting a strap. There you go. Free yourself from restraint. Free your mind, brother. Final thoughts on this Boker Plus Strike Auto. What do you need to know? Well, it did need a little bit of sharpening out of the box, but other than that, it's a very well-made knife. What it comes down to is the price and the steel. This is S30V. Now, back in the day, there was no S35VN back in the day, so a while ago, years ago, most of your best Spydercos and Benchmades would be S30V. And I learned to like that steel a lot through usage and experience. Now this is even better because this is CPM S30V. And what it boils down to is that for the price of $60 or $70, depending on the color, this knife was a great bargain considering that steel. Yeah, definitely feel like I got my money's worth here. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the links below to support the channel. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.